0 for this array here, and only that one value is removed because of the value 1 being, placed as the second argument, or within the parameter of the second on this splice method here, so that the resulting value to the array is then 3, 4, 5, 6, whereas the value 2 was removed. So now the value 3 is actually not at index 1 anymore. It's at index 0, I believe. Index 0, let's delete the first two numbers. Okay, hold on. I think that's if you do push and pop, or if you pop the, not sure if it changes the, I forgot. Forget if it would shift all those values to begin as the index of 0 when 1 is removed. Or like, okay, maybe I could do that as a test actually. Try that quickly actually here. So there's 0 being removed here, but you want 1. And I'm going to remove this, like that. So March will be removed because this has the first index. So if I run this code, the first console.log output would display, to refresh the page, January, April, and June. If I go like this, it would be January, April, and June that would display as the output. Unless I had changed this to 0, then it would be March, April, and June. I'll just do that first. See, down here, March, April, and June. Whereas if I change this to 1, it'll be January, April, and June. March will be removed because that has the first index. Let me do, make this 0 and this 2. Meaning, starting at index of 0 here, where January is, plus the second one following to the right, because we're going to remove both of them since the value 2 is assigned here the second parameter for the splice method. Starting at the index location of this array of index 0, and then this would be index 1, 2, and then 3. So begin at this index here, 0, and then count upward to a second one, which would be include March because of the value 2 being assigned to the second parameter. We'll remove both January, March, so that only April and June will display. So you see here, and this is now has the index of 0. Okay, I believe. Because if I go like this, then we'll do the way to test it quickly instead of doing a length. I mean, I could do this. Oh, great. Shit. Look what's happening here. Okay. We'll do is this. Set this to 0, make this 2. Remove February. Okay, so I'll remove January and March, just like last time, and then I'll do console.log. And then months, which is the name or identifier for the array that we're working with, which is up here. And then I'll put dot length. Like that, and then a semicolon to end the statement. Oh, not a function. Okay, so I have to do this. I have to remove the parentheses. Let's see that. That should be it. Okay, yeah, it has an array of 2. That means the length of it has now only 2 items. Whereas if I go like this, 0, like that, or if I comment this out, actually, I'll do that. Oops. Like this. Jeez, Bridget, you're annoying. Yeah, you're always in denial, and it's annoying when you do that. I'll block out. I'll do. I just blocked this or commented it out using a block comment. If you see what I'm talking about, instead of a single line comment, I used a / asterisk to indicate the beginning of the block to comment out, and then asterisk /